essential role in a wide range of industries, with food preservation being one of its most critical applications. As a natural preservative, it inhibits bacterial growth, reduces moisture, and enhances the shelf life of perishable foods such as meats, fish, dairy products, and vegetables. This is particularly vital in the food processing industry, where large-scale production requires reliable preservation methods to maintain freshness and prevent spoilage. Industrial salt is also integral to curing processes, fermentation, and dehydration techniques, ensuring that food remains safe and consumable over extended periods. From traditional meat curing to modern snack production, its presence helps stabilize flavors, improve texture, and preserve nutritional value. Beyond its direct use in food, industrial salt contributes to the production of food additives, brines, and seasonings, supporting global food security and reducing waste in the supply chain. Apart from food preservation, industrial salt is indispensable in various other sectors, including chemical manufacturing, water treatment, and pharmaceuticals. In chemical industries, it serves as a key raw material for producing chlorine, caustic soda, and soda ash, chemicals fundamental to detergents, glass, and plastics. Water treatment plants depend on industrial salt for softening hard water, preventing scale buildup in pipes and machinery, and enhancing purification processes. In the pharmaceutical industry, it plays a role in saline solutions, medication production, and laboratory research. Additionally, it is widely used in de-icing roads, aiding in winter safety by lowering the freezing point of water to prevent ice accumulation. Whether in food security, industrial processes, or environmental applications, industrial salt remains an irreplaceable component that supports modern infrastructure and everyday life.